everybody, and today I'm going to be getting some Chinese chestnuts from this big tree right here, and I'm going to be also showing you guys how you can even grow Chinese chestnuts from the seeds you already have. So first of all, you obviously need gloves because these things are spiky as heck, and then you can just grab them up and then plop them in. That's what I like to do. And I recommend gloves. And I recommend to not grab them very tightly. Then just plop it in the basket. That's how you get a nice harvest on Chinese chestnuts. But you want to wait till they fall from the tree themselves, because that's whenever they're ripe and ready. By the way, you can eat these. I'm not going to, though. I'm just going to grow some more trees. We got a ton of these over here, even next to the greenhouse. Why is there a duck in there? Plop it in.